Okay, Adriana, what are you doing here?
So today we're gonna get the sauce and we're just gonna cover the mozzarella. The eggplant rollatini.
Okay, you're doing a great job there. When we're done with this, what are we going to get started? Do you know?
I know.
What?
We're gonna put the mozzarella cheese on the tomato sauce that is on the eggplant rollatinis.
Okay, and what else goes on it?
The seasonings, cheese.
Right.
Which is
Can you read it?
Parmesan and
Romano.
Romano cheese. And
What else? Parmesan, that's correct. And what's in the green jar? What's that? What does it say? The green one, yeah. You're looking at it. What does it say? You had it in your hand a second ago. What does it say?
parsley.
Parsley. Okay. All right. Good job, Adriana. All right. Let's do the cheese.
Mozzarella, 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 mozzarella. Mozzarella, 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 mozzarella. 10-0 Yankees.
Yes. Did he say 10-0 Dodgers?
No, he said Yankees.
Oh, okay.
Gotcha.
What was the original name, Adriana, of the team? Of the Dodgers?
The Brooklyn Break.
Okay, just want to make sure everybody understands
also,
that.
when I heard it, I was like, so it's a woman man?
So you thought a bridegroom was a woman man, huh?
Yeah.
What is a woman man? It's okay to not know.
I didn't think that far.
Okay, that's okay.